First of all, I am very happy that Aam Aadmi Party has decided to give the candidature to a youth like me, and this is a real opportunity for youngsters for us to come into politics. And I would like to thank Arvind Kejriwal sir and Rahul Mambre, our convener, for this opportunity. And the people who have posed their faith in Aam Aadmi Party for all these years, for the work we have done for Aam Aadmi Party. And Vasco, people are desperate for a change. The people need change. All over Goa, people are fed up with BJP's misgovernance, misrule. Today, if BJP had to keep their act together, today youth would not suffer. Today jobs are not there. Young people are on the streets. They are not having work. They have been laid off. The employment, if you check the employment records, that itself is sure that the people who are unemployed are so many. And as far as Vasco is concerned, the same problem. Unemployment is a major issue in Vasco also. Majority of our people are unemployed. And same way, when I went to for door-to-door campaigning in places like Saibin, but for the past 3 days, there is no water. People are suffering. They are borrowing water from each other. PWD is absolutely failed in its work to provide water. Basic, essential that a person requires, that is water. And if the government cannot provide water to the people, then it is a shame on this government. 24 वर्षाचे जर भुरगे कंपनी चलोवपाक शकता जाल्यार तुमचे सरकार चलोवपाक जायना.
What you can say on Congress now?
Congress has failed in creating a second line of leadership. And by the ticket distribution, it is 100% clear that they don't want young faces, they don't want the people. So it is failure of Congress that has resulted in all these situations. Today, Aam Aadmi Party is filling the gap which Congress has left. Congress has created a failure as far as leadership is concerned. There were a particular group of leaders who have hijacked Congress. The people who held on to power, and they are not refusing to let go of power. Today, Aam Aadmi Party is giving opportunities to youngsters like me. Has Congress ever considered giving opportunities to youngsters like me? No, it is not possible, because there are vested interests in Congress. There are big players who don't want to let go of power to the youngsters. Today it is a generation of Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. आणि जे old generation Congress leaders they are away from the reality. त्यांका रियालिटीचे बाबतीत काय खबर ना. They are away from the 70-80% of the youth who are there in their aspirations are there. त्यांका काम रोखडे जाय. They want things online. They want single window system, which this government has failed. Today, no work can be done in the municipality. People are literally being treated like animals. When they go to the municipality, वयता तेन्ना तांकां धाडून घातला. तांकां इन्सल्ट करून धाडटा अक्षरशः. असले ऑफिसर आनी असले जे एम्प्लॉईज आहा तांकां रोखडे सस्पेंड करपाची गरज आहा. आयज तांकां जर सस्पेंड करना जाल्यार आमचे जे पब्लीक सर्वंट ते पब्लिका खातीर काम करपाक जाय. आयज मामलेदारान तुमचें कामां जायना, ते भाशेन म्युनिसिपालिटीन कामां जायना. कित्याक बारीकशे लोकांचें काम एक दिसान जावपाचें कामां तुमचें जायना. Though there is a specific period during which the permissions have to be given, RC has to be given. खंय चलता तेंचें?